Most people think that you need experience to make money online, but that's not true anymore. So in this video, I'll show you 3 simple side hustles you can start today using ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. When I first tried to make money online, I was confused because I didn't have any skills. I didn't know where to start, and every video I watched made things feel complicated. Then I discovered I could use ChatGPT as my assistant, and suddenly every simple services become easy to offer. So today I will show you 3 beginner-friendly services you can start immediately, and stay with me because the third one is the easiest and fastest to start.
Alright, so the first one is helping people with resumes and cover letters. So many people are looking for jobs, but they don't know how to write their resumes in a professional way, right? And that's where you come in with ChatGPT helping you. For example, you have to go into ChatGPT and type something like, write a professional resume summary for a customer service worker with 2 years of experience. And ChatGPT gives you a strong summary. You just have to adjust it a little bit and make it fit the person, then deliver it. And one thing is that with this type of services, you can offer more services like resume summaries, full resume rewrite, and customer cover letters, right? And trust me, people are happy to pay because this could help them get a job, right? And now let me show you services that businesses need again and again, right? It is called email and newsletter writing, right? Businesses send emails to their customers all the time, something like sales emails, discount emails, and even welcome emails, right? But one thing you will agree with me is that many small business owners don't know what to write, or let's just say they don't have time, right? And you can use ChatGPT to help them, and they will pay you for it. Now, for example, you can type something like, write a friendly promotional email for a bakery announcing a weekend discount, right? And in seconds you get a full email. But like I always said, you have to edit it slightly and send it to the client. And with this, you can send promotional emails, welcome email, monthly newsletters, right? And this is powerful because emails marketing helps business make more money. But if you want something even simpler, trust me, the next one is perfect for beginners. It is called simple ebook or guide creation. Jokes apart, this one surprised me when I discovered it. Many small business owners, coaches, and creators want short guides or ebooks to share with their audience, but they don't have time to write them. You can help them create simple guides using ChatGPT. Now, for example, create a beginner-friendly guide about starting a small candle business from home. ChatGPT can help you create the structure, the chapters, and even the content. You can offer short PDF guides, checklists, or even beginner handbooks. They use this as free downloads, digital products, or even gifts for their audience, right? And remember, you don't have to write everything from your head. ChatGPT helps you, right? And it's very easy and simple. You don't need a degree. You don't need expensive software. You just need to start small and use ChatGPT as, your assistant. Your first job might be small. Well, that's okay. Every small jobs build your confidence and experience, and that's how online income really grows. So if you want, I can make another video showing you exactly how to get your first client step by step. Comment client below so I know you are serious, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple ways to make money using ChatGPT. Peace and love.